Welcome back to another exciting unboxing adventure here on Civvie. Today, I have bought myself another 3D printer. You say, hey, maybe you don't need 3D printers. And I say, hey, no I don't. But I bought myself a CR10S. Which apparently has some upgrades over the CR10, which is a 3D printer that people use. It's bigger. Basically, I wanted a bigger one. I wanted to be able to print huge dragons and stuff, and I wanted to be able to, it wasn't that expensive, okay? Okay, let's just get in the box. I have a friend, he's an enabler. He lent me some money so I could buy this when it was on sale at a website that I won't promote because it took them a month to get it to me for no apparent reason. But yeah, here we go. Let's get it. We're gonna get into this. I don't have a lot of time, so it could be that we are interrupted. But, you know, the box came from China, obviously. And I actually didn't have to pay any deposit on it, which was nice. So I wasn't, like, out $100 from Canada border coming at me. This is the biggest spot I have to set this stuff up, but it's still not enough space because this thing is big. All right, so we've got some foam. This is actually pretty nice foam. I'm going to save this for cosplay or something. I'm going to save that foam. And right at the top, we've got our print bed. So let's see if we can get this bad boy out of here. See what else comes in here. More foam. I don't have anywhere to put this. Shit. Well, let's get this out of here first. And we'll see what we got. So we've got, this is our bottom print bed. Looks like pretty much everything's already attached. Got some nice cable, like management stuff on here. This printer is a foot by a little bit more than a foot, or 300 millimeter by 300 millimeter by 400 millimeter. That's some nice foam. We're just gonna put this back on the foam. I'm actually using my lapel today, so we can not be all over the damn place. All right, so here we are. We've got more foam. Oh no. Cables. They aren't all hooked up, so I won't be using this today, that's for sure. More foam. We've got our accessories box. Let's see what's in there. My knife is not in my pocket when I'm not at work. Pro tip. If you want to try and stab me, I don't have a knife on me. So, you know. I also won't tell you where I keep the printers. I won't tell you anything, Kappa. Alright, what do we got here? We've got a very small spool. Actually, this is an okay size spool of PLA. Some white PLA. That's nice. That's good because I ran out of PLA for everything else. We've got a SD card with, it looks like an adapter. That's cool. Yeah, an adapter, USB adapter with a SD card sticking out of it, which probably has Cura on it. Ooh, an 8GB SD. Look at that. Fancy. So we'll put that back in the bag. We're going to need that later. We've got some blue stuff. We've got a USA power cable, 3-prong, which is the one I ordered. We've got, this is the filament holder. Apparently it's made out of some like PVC. They didn't even bother to get the name taken off of it. A bone tube. USB cable, blue. It's very nice. It's very nice. Wow. Here's your heat. Just random parts. So we've got some hex screws, another hex screw, and then the tip of the print head. We'll see if there's one already plugged in, because that's nice that they give you a tip. Let's see, we've got some zip ties, some wrenches, some Allen keys, a screwdriver, side cutters, or flash cutters. I have a nice pair that my brother bought for me, or bought for us. Let's go with us. What else do we have in here? We've got, I believe these are the, filament holder screw. Actually, I think this is the upgraded version of this printer has a detector to tell when you're out of filament, so you don't keep running the machine dry. It'll actually stop the machine, and then you can restart the machine later. We've got, I'm going to assume this is some sort of pick to get into the end of the extruder head. I don't know. I haven't got to the instructions yet, so. And here is, I believe this is also part of the extruder, like, hey, yo, we're out of filament. And then this is part of the filament holder bit. And they get a palette knife. This one's actually sharp. The palette knife that I bought on Amazon is not sharp, so I can't actually use it for palette knife duty because it's too thick. Life's strange like that. All right, here is a QC pass sticker. Okay, cool. Here is standard is the filament test wire and filament test shortboard assembled together. What? Does not require filament detection. Okay, so I think this is saying that, hey, you don't have to install the filament detector, but, you know, you could. This is a JPEG that someone printed. Look at the text. I don't even know if you can see how pixely that text is, and all the text is like that. Don't print JPEGs! Just print the actual PDFs! And here's the quick start guide, which I will need, because I'm going to have to figure out how to put it all together. Oh, what's this blue stuff for? Screw and fasten, that stuff, yep. Spool holder. Oh, the blue is decorative trim. Never using that. Got it. Yeah, that'll show you how to build it. We're going to do that in a different video. So we don't really have the space for it. We kind of got to clear this out because we're going to paint stream soon. Twitch.tv/CivvieTV if you want to view a paint stream. Here's some more foam. And here's our top gantry place. So we're going to figure out exactly how this bad boy works. If I can get into this box. Ugh, keep hands away from moving parts. In other words, do not fist Android girls. Do not touch the heated bed. So here's the control box. All your thinking and your hardware is in here. And then it just runs out. This is currently set to 230 volts, so I'm going to have to switch it to 110. It runs out these bad boys, and oh, that's unfortunate. The cable stuff broke there. Actually, that looks like two pieces put together. They cheaped out. That's fine. We've got USB operation, so you can hook it up to Octoprint or just Cura if you want. An SD card, micro SD if it matters. I don't know if I've seen one with a full SD card. Got a nice button. Look at that. Isn't that click? It's a good click. If you wanted to know what sort of quality we're looking at, here is a random piece of something that I don't believe is to this printer. But it is here nonetheless. We'll put that in one of those little bags. And since I know y'all want it. Good. Good stuff right there. Alright, let's get this out of here so we can get that top gantry out. And we can end this video and move on to the next one there. Alright, mainly... Uh-oh, oh god, no. Okay, hold on. It looks like the gantry is kind of stuck in place on purpose. Here's another screw. If you buy this printer, apparently check the screws. Because I don't know where that one even goes. Goes somewhere, that's for sure. It looks like they tested it with some purple filament, because there's a little bit in the tip. So it was apparently tested at one point. Ooh, that's smooth. Nice. Okay, let's put this to the side here so we don't have to worry about it. So here is our gantry with some foam to kind of keep it safe. And it looks like our harness for the print head is just hanging out. We've got like some wheels of some sort to push this back and forth, which is cool. Very smooth. It's like a camera roller. And then we've got the same sort of thing as on the Monoprice that I unboxed before, where the filament is just pinched in the Bowden tube sort of business. There's not a great way to show you this, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, right there. It's sort of pinched, and then I assume this goes actually right in here. And then the other white one we had could either go from here out to the thing, or we can just use it for this. Is that gaff tape? It's nice. What else do we got going on here? Yeah, I think that's about it until I put it together. Oh boy, that's gonna be a thing. I was gonna try and do that today, but I don't think I have enough time. So, for today, I'm Civvie, and I hope you'll enjoy this trip with me as we go and build our first printer that actually requires that I build it. Because the printers I had before came pre-built, right? So I have two Monoprice Maker Minis, which come pre-built. Put that right back in there so I can fuck with it later. Yeah, that'll work. And this one comes mostly pre-built. It's not like I'm having to do like old cupcake kits or anything, but it's still gonna be a fun little challenge, I guess. So, for today, I'm Civvie, and I'll see you guys next time.